When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
You heard?
We out here at the
fucking
yeah, in the Ride Out 2019.
Let's see a tweet. Let's see some.
It's like you
really came with no fucking phone.
That guy just did a 360.
Let's see a combo. Oh, no hand.
Oh.
Oh, watch it. Oh, right
get through that. Get through that.
Right around him.
Where the other dude?
Okay. Yeah, he over there.
He got gears though.
He don't got gears?
Yeah, he got gears.
They don't work.
Jay don't got gears.
That shit got hit by a moped.
Yo, I thought they was gonna bring the mopeds out here. It's not the same, you heard? Look at
He drunk.
Yo, how the fuck they get this? Let me see.
There he is, we made it.
What bike is that?
All the gears work right? Yeah.
Here, it's a good dog. Whoa! Ah! My tire pressure's too low. My tire pressure's too low.
It's cool.
That's alright.
Look, I was about to go like this. Try to warm up my hands. Is the law following us?
Yeah. I should have put air in my tires. Huh? Yeah, look. That bitch bouncy. Don't ride. Huh?
You're not a fucking boss.
I'm ready to add all these young boys right here. Ah. Ah. Baltimore. Whoa. Woo. Oh my God. Oh my God. All Hawk shit right here. Oh my God. Woo. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Let's go, boy.
Bend that. Oh yeah, on the seat. Yeah.
Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me.
Play with him. Oh, he about to drop. Don't drop. Don't drop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go for it. Yeah, stop it. Oh, yeah. Don't drop. Oh, yeah, he gave me what the ski says. Drop the wheel. Stepping, not worried. Stepping, oh.
Damn.
Not too much.
Good looks. Zaire. My young boy.
Yeah.
You almost lost the bike. almost checked me out. Oh my God, Jeff! No! No!
Do that!
My baby! Damn.
That's a bad jump.
Bad jump. Strange, I'm trying to know what he know.
Nah, J made this one.
Yeah. Well. I'm still up. Oh my God. Holy shit. What the fuck was that?
Man, we got shot here on the scooter.
Oh.
He on some shit. Man, we up north, man. He not driving his car, but it's still moving.
Look at this.
Shit is crazy.
This man is not driving. He's just chilling in the wheels. Alright, Jeff. Now, what they came for. They want to see some work.
I can't, Willie. But you want me to try? Alright. Yeah, I got you. I got Charlie where this shit hurt. Ew. Oh, he drunk. He got he drunk out this bitch. Go ahead. Alright, put some fucking work in. Oh, DJ! DJ! What's he doing? Yo! Yeah, I got this shit. Go.